So what exhaust is on this?
My keys are inside. Hang on.
Yeah.
It's a Magnaflow 3-inch catback.
Those look mint. Yeah. That looks phenomenal. Flowmaster 3-inch, you said?
It's Magnaflow 3-inch.
Magnaflow.
Yeah.
Never mind, that does.
It has a mid muffler. Mid muffler and the two at the back.
Okay.
It's more like the new 300s.
Yeah.
Where instead of having the amps at the front, they have that crossover with the muffler at the back.
Yeah.
Dual in, dual out muffler at the back.
Holy, okay. Let's hear this.
It's quiet.
Is it?
Yeah.
I like it.
It's 300 fitting, eh?
Yeah.
It's rumble but not obnoxious.
Sounds really good. Not bad, Greg. So it was kind of custom fitted onto this, right?
Just had to adapt it at the front.
Yeah.
Because it's 2.5 factories, so he adapted it on.
Yeah. Sounds really good, yeah.
It's got a nice tone to it.
Yeah. Any drone?
On that side.
Yeah.
Remember this one broke off?
Yeah.
That one of the studs is broken and it's coming apart, so we had to redo that one too.
Yeah.
It's a good thing I took it to him, because if I tried to do that myself, I'm like, well, I need to go to Dave anyway now because the exhaust hacked on it.
No, I like it. Sounds really good.
She had to bend some things, like, sorted out, because like you said, it looked like it got run over by a tractor trailer.
Yeah.
And then reattached the cat and everything, and it was $300.
Yeah.
Can't argue that.
$300.
$300 to put it on to all that. They bought the catback for $150.
Yeah.
So you're $450. That's still
That's way cheaper.
$450 with install. Like, yeah, okay.
Yeah. I like it. Magnaflow. Never thought you'd get a Magnaflow.
Well, 150. I'll get anything and try it.
No, that's good.
Like for Dave just to fix where it raw, dude,
Yeah.
would it cost that? So that'll be something that's not gonna do it again. Yeah, it runs great. Yeah, the tips are like a little bit banged up, but the muffler or the bumper hides most of it anyway.
Yeah. Better than it was.
I much prefer that because it is.
Yes, right. Yeah.
Like under load, it's louder than that. Like when you like hammer on under load, but just cruising around, it's nice. And it looks good, like how the mufflers hang out the back.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Any drone on the road?
None whatsoever.
Zero. Yeah. Huh.
Like if you let it warm up,
Yeah.
idle for a while,
Yeah.
there's more drone outside of it standing here.
Yeah.
And you get in it and you don't know it's aftermarket
Perfect.
until you get on it.
That's
throttle, and
mint.
it's not even bad. Like,
Yeah. There you go. It probably runs a lot better though too.